It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 LARIAT in carbonized gray with black leather trim seats, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and you have a 360 camera, trailer tow package, sliding rear window, and twin panel moonroof, as well as many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, and you're seeing the B&O badging for your audio system. There's also power locks, windows and mirrors, and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and tailgate release. You have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel and power deployed running boards, as well as a grab handle, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping and cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages and your menu, my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You're seeing the B&O badging again in the little bin to put items, and then auto stop start for less idle time. And then we have our camera view. So this is showing us where we are in space. And this is the front view so we can see ahead of us. We're not in gear. This is just a look. This is just a protective cover. So let's get out of there. And then you have your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And you also have your parking sensors, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent. And let's get out of there, and you'll see they're highlighted as we touch on them. So navigation, we're going to see the map, and you've got this little side information as well. You can toggle up and down in that if you want, and on the navigation map you just choose your menu and your search and so forth. Also, if you've gone to places regularly and they're recent, you can bring that up as well. We can go into the settings, and there's different options in there: personal files, general, your clock, connectivity, and so forth. And they all have sub-menus. And in your features, your owner's manual is located there: towing, zone lighting, running boards, driver assistance. So as I mentioned, we have power deployed running boards. We can make changes to how it opens and closes. So kick switch, always active, approach detection, which I've got it on now. So when I approach it with the key in my pocket, the running boards come out, and running board modes, and you can go in there and choose. So you can see you can turn it off, on, leave it on auto, and so forth. So these all have sub-menus. Now when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is also where we're going to see our backup camera view. So it's right off the back bumper, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and your center line, and where we are in space here. Let's put us back into park for safety's sake. And we have our volume and tuner, the dual climate control, as well as heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. There's your fan, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, wireless charging pad, and USB-C and USB, automatic select shifter, and we can actually make this go down. And there's also a couple of cup holders there. And the reason we put that down is just to give us a flat surface, but also we have an interior work surface. So we can just pop that open, and now we have a big place to put items. You can put your computer, have your lunch, whatever, but you don't lose the storage below. So you just press and open. There's a nice little bin, and you take that out. Lots of room down below, and you got a place to plug in and connect. Off to the side is your 12 volt. You also have a 120 volt. There's 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, the other one releases from there. Grab handle in the body, and you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, universal garage door opener. There's your sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the rear, and you have a nice twin panel moonroof. Look at those blue skies. So when you press this, the first panel is the one that will slide, and then it stops and the back stays fixed. But you also have a screen. So once this is closed and you want to move the screen across either partially or all the way, you can do that, and there's a separate button for that as well. And you're all ready to go. 3-inch wheels, power deployed running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, the FX4 off-road package, and that package includes skid plates. In the rear, just above the handle, is where your backup camera is located. You also have an LED light to the right, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open it up, you just double click your fob and it'll power it down for you. Got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link. You also have the outlet located here, and there's 2 measuring sticks, metric and imperial. You also have clamps on the left and on the right to be able to do a little bit of work and clamp something. And there's a tailgate step, and you're seeing that yellow button that just pulls out as a handle to create a hold to get in and out of the vehicle. And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and the B&O badging for your audio system. There's also a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position. You've got carpeted mats on the floor, and then to bring the seat down, just pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and armrest with a couple of cup holders. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in that center console, there's more cup holders, air vents, and you also have the heated seat controls for back here, a 12-volt, USB-C and USB, as well as that ambient lighting. You're just seeing the light there, and the 120-volt. Up top, we have a twin-panel moonroof bumper with backup sensors, 6.5-foot box that's lined with tie-downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. Privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, front camera, and tow hooks, as well as many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.